I'd like to focus on solutions rather than blame. Are we able to move forward? I don't want to focus on blame. I'm here to live in the solution, not the problem. So I'd rather focus on the solution rather than blame. And how can we move forward? All right. What's the dishonesty? Accusation. Again, projection. You're not being honest about the budget numbers. You're not being honest about the budget numbers. I've shared the full report transparently. Can you clarify what feels unclear? All right. Now, why are they saying that I'm being dishonest? Like, first off, you're accusing me of something that is really hurtful and about budget numbers, which are fiscal, which are very detrimental. So to be confronted with that, my heart's going to be racing, right? You're not being honest about the budget numbers. You're attacking my character about something that is really important, which is the budget numbers. So my heart's going to be racing. It's going to be hard to just, my voice is going to go up. It's going to be hard to just to remain calm in that kind of situation with that kind of accusation. So to come back with something like, I shared the full report transparently. You have it in front of you. It is transparent. What is feeling unclear? And please do not talk to me in an unacceptable manner that is not respectful, responsible, relatable. All right. So then clarification. All right. So maybe they go on with something. You have to stay focused. Can you point to the specific section that concerns you? Let's walk it through together. And again, my heart's going to be racing. I'm going to have a hard time just remaining calm, but I'm going to do my best, right? And then finally, redirect to accountability. Transparency matters. If there's a gap, let's both commit to clear reporting. All right. And again, you want to document this. Again, you want to record this in any way. If it's through a Zoom call and you can record it, great. If it's person to person, your heart's racing. As soon as you get done, go get your phone and record yourself saying, I just had a conversation with da-da-da-da-da. They accused me of da-da-da-da-da. I showed them the evidence. Here it is, A, B, C. I'm recording this on this date so that I have evidence to present as this recurs, or if this recurs, or as this becomes a pattern, so that then we can address the pattern. Transparency matters. If there's a gap, let's both commit to clear up reporting. All right, I have a third scenario on projection in the workplace. Again, if you are experiencing projection in your personal life, I feel for you. I want to stay focused, though, on what happens in the workplace. And in the workplace, it's not an easy situation to just walk away and say, I'm not going to deal with this because you're crazy, cannot be allowed in my peace sphere, right? Like, your crazy is going to stay over there and my peace is going to stay over here.